What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Prophet. Welcome back to the process. I know it's been a minute. It got cold on us. You know, we done had some snow, man, all that bad stuff. But I'm back on my grind now, and I'm out here in the garage finna warm my girl up a little bit. And I got some decisions to make, and I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all see this whole little process. You know, that's the name of my channel. So I'm thinking about selling my girl. I've been entertaining a few offers, man. Had a couple guys on my head for the last couple of months. And you know it's income tax season, man, so everybody got some money. So I'm getting some decent offers, man, so let's see how this play out. So I'ma just warm her up real quick. When this guy come to check her out, if he ain't camera shy, I'm gonna go ahead and put him on camera. Let him walk around the car. See what he getting ready to get in, you know, what he finna get ready to invest in. You're gonna get a good car, I can say that right now. If y'all seen my whole process from the very beginning, you seen how the work I put into this car. You know, from the slotted rotors and the air shocks on the back, the paint job, the motor work, man, the whole nine, man. I got, you know, my new my suede headliner. You know what I'm saying? So she done came a long way, man. Even with the 24s down to my 22-inch rose gold IROCs. You know? So, like I always say, if you're new to my channel, this is the process. I brought this car, built it up from scratch all by myself, and I might sell her and do it all over again with a whole new project. So make sure y'all subscribe to my channel right now. Hit that notification bell, all that YouTube stuff, man, and stay locked in. Join my process. So let me go ahead and warm her up real quick and go from there. All right. Hopefully she starts right up. Uh-oh. I don't know why it does this. Yep. No check engine light. You see that? It's my baby. I got my USB dashboard outlets. Charging on my iPad. So, it's a good car, man. Heat blows good. AC blows good. Let me go ahead and pop my hood. All original car, man. 305. Look at her purr. I hear that? Some of y'all might say, oh, why you gonna sell her? Oh, no. Look, man. I'm all about that money. That's why my name is E-Profit. So, if I can make a profit, she out of here. Put it like that. Look at her. It's kind of dark in here. See if I can shine some light down there. Get my phone out. See that? Ain't no shake, ain't nothing on there. It's a good motor, man. That's why I wasn't so worried about taking it out, putting no LS in here right away, because wasn't no point. She rolling good. There's some texting me now, so he's about 5 minutes away. Uh-oh. I don't know if y'all can see that. 5 minutes away, man. So it's almost showtime. All right, y'all stay tuned in. All right, everybody, here go the first guy to come check the car out. I'm gonna let him do his walk around, see what he thinks. And it comes with the original set of wheels that I got for it. They're back there in that corner.
Yep. You actually sent me a picture.
Oh, did I? Okay, good, yeah. I didn't know if I did or not.
What's the YouTube channel?
Well, it's right there in the back window, actually. Like I said, everything I've done to this car, I've been documenting. So it's been a long little process.
How long have you had it?
About 1.5 years now. Got a brand new suede headliner I put on there about 2 months ago, maybe. Yep. It got the LED blue lights on the floor, front and back. Inside, yeah, yep.
The steering wheel, you did that?
Yeah, I did that too. I got the original one that's in there. That'll come with it as well. Everything works like brand new. All the switches, windows, defrost. Everything works. The only thing I've done to under the hood was a tune-up, and I put a new heat control sensor. I forgot what it's called exactly, but right here.
Okay.
Where the thermostat goes, in front of the thermostat. No, right, that one there. No. It had a rough idle, and that was the issue. It started idling real high and dumping gas. Yep. Had to go buy that, and that was it. You got the, slided rotors with the red calipers, brand new brake pads. They probably got 100 miles on them brakes.
It was painted when you got it, or did you paint it?
I painted it. I painted it.
You painted yourself?
I did. I did it myself.
In your garage?
I'm an automotive guy, yeah. That's what I do.
Came out pretty good for
I know, right? For that small area, right?
Yeah.
That's what everybody says. But I had 10.
Put that on YouTube, you get in trouble.
No, they already seen it. That's what the channel's about. So they already know. All right, so I got a buyer. He made me a pretty fair offer. And I think I'm ready to go ahead and let my girl go. The only thing is, he said he ain't no fan of my 22-inch IROCs. You know, I don't understand, man. I mean, I thought this was a good look. I mean, of course the IROCs is a good look, but my little rose gold finish, he said he really wasn't too hot about. He loved the rose gold steering wheel. He want to keep that. I don't understand that. But he wants to go back with these original wheels. So he said he got a different set he want to put on here anyway. So it's okay with me, man. You made me a fair offer, I'm gonna take it. You know, but what do y'all think, man? I mean, I think this rose gold look was a good look for this car. And it kind of did, you know, complement this blue and my rose gold pearl I had in here. Well, not rose gold, but I had a red velvet pearl. But what y'all think, man? Get in my comment section right now. You know, overall, how did that rose gold look complement this car? Was it a good look or a bad look? Leave y'all comments right now. And let's do one little last walk around. You know, I had a nice journey with my girl. Started my YouTube channel off with her. You know the process, but like I was saying, this is the whole point of me starting this channel, was to show y'all my skills and how I can buy, restore, and basically flip these cars, man, to make a profit. That's what it's all about. I actually held her longer than what I wanted to, man. I kind of fell in love with her for a hot second, but I feel like, you know, she served her purpose. Won me a trophy, went to a few car shows. I'm getting my name back out here. I'm getting my subscribers up, you know. Now it's on to the next one. Show y'all the inside one last time. She was clean, man. How much she worth to y'all? What you think, man? Leave me a comment about that too. If you had to make me an offer on this car right now, what's she worth? All original interior. I didn't do anything to this. All I did was painted the boy and some tune-up work, suspension work, front brakes, you know, new slotted rotors and calipers. But she was a good foundation to start off with. Oh, also, he said he don't want the grill, so I gotta pull the grill off. I'm going back with the first all black grill that I had. So he wanted plain Jane, basically. Rolex, no diamonds. But I got some work to put in now, man. I'm about to put it back in the garage. It's cold out here. Pull these wheels off, throw these back on, pull that grill off, man, and get her ready to go. So let me go ahead and get to it.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain, I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints, money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague, we all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name, all our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be, living in a time where disease is on every screen, I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering, negativity is a plague for the mentally weak, no mercy, all I got is working, never stop searching, never quench the thirsty, I'm toxic.
Okay, so I got my first two wheels off. I want to show y'all something real quick, because to get these IROCs on this car to have that flush look with the body, like I want them to stick out a little bit, I had to buy these spacers, and these are hub centric spacers right here. Has the hub built onto the actual spacer. So this is the actual hub on the rear end. And most of your wheels sit on that hub, and then you put your lug nuts on. A lot of times when you buy spacers, they don't have that hub centric hub sitting on there, and it's not safe at all. So this was like a more safe spacer to use. And I think these came from let me see where to focus, Titan Wheel Accessories. So this is a 1-inch hub centric spacer. So if any of y'all got a Camaro and y'all want to put some IROCs on y'all Camaro and you need some spacers, man, send me an email or leave me a comment. I can work y'all a little deal out. I think these is probably like $200 for the whole set, something like that. But if you need them, send me an email, eprofitdetroit@gmail.com. We can talk about it. So just want to give y'all a quick little, fill in with that. I'm hoping the front ones come off because I didn't use no anti-seize like I should have used around this big rotor. So it might be on there real snug. I hope it pops off like it should. But we'll see. So, all right, let me get back to work. Okay, so I got the wheels off. Got the grill swapped out. Back to black. This is my girl Candy, back to plain Jane. This is the way he wanted. So that's how you gonna get it. I pulled all my decals off, and man, that kind of hurt, I ain't gonna lie. Like, I like my little decals. I put a lot of thought into those. But it's ready for a new home now. So here we go. Just waiting on her new owner to pull up and take her home. And look at how bad this weather is in Michigan, man. When I pulled my car in the garage, it wasn't no snow. I brought her back out, we got snow on the ground. Like, unpredictable, man. It don't make no sense here in Michigan. But all right, so y'all stay locked in. I'm gonna give y'all some footage when you actually get here. So let's get to it. All right, YouTube, so we got my girl's new owner right here. So how do you feel? She's going home with you.
Feeling good as long as the heat works.
It's cold here in Michigan. Everything works, man. You're getting a good car. So thanks for coming out. You was right on it. No lowballing. So I appreciate that. All right, so
thank you.
We're good, man. Thanks again.
You do this headliner yourself?
No, my buddy did that. He's another YouTuber, Bags on the Go. He took care of that for me. He got his own shop over on, it's called Tentway Auto in Livonia. 8 Mile and Merriman area.
What do you charge you for something like that?
About $250.
$50.
Yeah, not too bad. He's my buddy, but it still wasn't too bad of a price. Yeah,
that's awesome, eh?
Yeah, it looks good.
I got an El Camino that needs to have
the speaker covers are done the same way with that same material on both sides. So I was gonna get the visors done, but he ran out of material.
Yeah,
but they look pretty good still. Yeah,
pretty good. Well, if they give you any trouble in the truck, just give me a call. But
yeah, you shouldn't be gone too long. You said.
So.
Yeah, you'll be all right.
All right.
All right.
Film me pulling away, I guess.
That's the idea.
End of the dreams.
You got 2 sets of keys, by the way.
Perfect.
2 ignitions, I think
one door, 2 ignitions.
Trunk.
Yep. Perfect.
All right.
Oh. All right, what should I search?
E-Profit.
E-P-R-O-F-F.
F-P-R-O-F-I-T.
1 F-I-T.
There you go,
E-Profit Detroit.
That's me.
Subscribe. There you go, 81.
Alrighty.
Oh, I see the big wheels on there before. Big chrome wheels. Is that what they were?
No, that's somebody else's car. Well, they was. Oh yeah, I had those on there first too. Yeah. Yep.
Wow.
So she's been through a few little changes.
Oh, those are some slick wheels. Dang.
Yeah,
like
yeah.
24s?
24s they were. It was a rough ride. That's why I had to add the air shocks on the rear.
I bet those were terrible. Wow.
They did. I actually damaged one because the tires had to be so small to fit on here.
The potholes?
Yes.
That's what it says.
One caught me.
Gotcha. Sweet.
All
I'll
right.
check out the channel when I get home.
All right.
Thank you.
Thanks again, man.
I don't hit your car.
Yeah, I don't want them problems. There she goes. She's going to a new home. She served her purpose. Everybody say bye, Candy. So on to the next one, baby. All right. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel, like this video, leave me a comment, share it, all that YouTube stuff y'all already know, baby. It's time for my next build. Let's get to it.